Okay, hello everyone. So, gusto ko pong i-share sa inyo ang experience ko kung paano ko na-verify ang address ko sa Google AdSense kahit walang PIN na dumating. June 16, 2020, na-monetize ang channel ko, and then nung nag-sign in ako sa Google AdSense, and then nakita ko doon na mayroong notice si Google AdSense sa akin na pinadala na daw yung Google AdSense PIN ko ng July 11. And then, marireceive ko daw ito 2 to 4 weeks. Kaya after 1 month or 4 weeks, pumunta ako ng post office, and then nag-verify or nagtanong ako kung meron na bang dumating na sulat from Google AdSense. Okay, pero walang dumating. Weekly akong pumupunta sa post office para alamin kung meron nang dumating na Google AdSense. Okay, pero wala. Hanggang sa nakilala ko si Errol Check Vlog. September 15, 2020, tinuruan niya ako kung paano mag-resend ng PIN or mag-request uli ng PIN. Thank you so much, Errol Check Vlog. From July 11 to September 15, so meron ng 2 months bago ako nakapag-resend ng PIN or bago ako nakapag-request ng PIN. October 7 ang second request ko, and then wala pa rin. And then October 28, nag-request uli ako. So ito na yung pangatlong resend ko ng PIN, pero wala pa rin dumating. So meron na lang akong 11 days para ma-verify ang address ko. So ayun, mag 4 months na wala pa rin akong PIN at hindi ko pa rin na-verify ang address ko. So pag umabot ng November 11 at hindi ko na-verify ang address ko, mai-stop na yung mga ads ko. Okay, so paano mag-verify ng address kung walang PIN na dumating? Okay, so ito pa naman yung pinakamahalaga, which is PIN is the key to sahod, diba? So, wag mawala ng pag-asa. So, may mga paraan kung paano mag-verify ng address kahit walang PIN. So, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gawin. So, ito na, pag nababasa natin yung ganito na you'll have 4 months from the date your PIN is generated to enter it in your account. If you haven't entered it after 4 months, it will stop showing ads on your pages. So, medyo nakaka-alarma siya. So, ang PIN is personal identification number, which is marireceive natin siya dapat ng 2 to 4 weeks. Para malaman natin kung nag-send na ba sa atin ang Google AdSense ng mail, kailangan natin mag-sign in sa Google AdSense account natin. Para makapag-sign in, i-open natin yung Google Chrome natin, and then search natin ang Google AdSense account. Saka tayo mag-login. Dito sa Google AdSense account natin, dito natin makikita estimated earnings, mga balance, at dito rin natin i-verify ang address natin. So, ito yung unang mail sa akin ng Google AdSense. We mailed you a PIN on July 11, 2020. It should take 2 to 4 weeks to arrive. Verify your address by entering the PIN we sent you. After 4 weeks or 1 month, wala pa rin dumating. So, kapag walang dumating na PIN sa inyo, ang gagawin ulit is magre-resend ng PIN request. I-click lang natin ang verify. And then, i-click natin ang resend PIN. And then next, ito yung makikita natin, a duplicate PIN will be sent to your billing address. If the original PIN arrives first, you can still use it to verify your billing address. And then, click natin ang resend PIN. And then, ito yung susunod na makikita natin, PIN arriving soon. A duplicate PIN will be sent to you in 3 to 5 days. You should receive it within 2 to 4 weeks. And then, click done. At kung wala pa rin dumating after 4 weeks, mag-request ka uli ng PIN or resend PIN. So, paalala, after 3 weeks, bago ka maaring mag-request muli ng PIN. So, kapag wala pang 3 weeks, hindi po lalabas ang resend PIN button. At pag wala pa rin talagang dumating, 3 beses mong gawin ang pagre-resend ng PIN. So, mas maganda if every 3 weeks. So, kung wala pa rin talagang dumating na PIN after 3 resend ng PIN, okay, so ang gagawin nyo para ma-verify yung address nyo is, punta kayo sa Google Chrome, sign in kayo sa Google AdSense, and then, sa verify your billing address, i-click nyo lang yung 3 dots na nasa upper right side, and then, click help, and then ito yung susunod na makikita natin, address verification, PIN overview. And then, so may mga nakasulat dyan. Ito na yung susunod. Note, if we've asked you to verify your identity, we won't send your PIN until after you've successfully completed identify verification. So, ito yung question, having problems with your PIN? If you're having issues with address verification, see problems with PIN or try our PIN troubleshooter. So, ang i-click natin dito is PIN troubleshooter. So, sasagutin lang natin yung mga questions. Personal identification number or PIN, are your earnings greater than the verification threshold? Then, kiklik natin yung yes. Then, have you received your PIN? Of course, no ang ikiklik natin. And then, next, have you already requested 3 replacement PINs? Then, ikiklik natin yung yes. Okay, the next, have you already requested 3 replacement PINs? And then, ito yung makikita natin. You'll have 4 months from the date on which your first PIN was generated to enter it in your account. If you haven't entered it after 4 months, then we'll stop showing ads on your pages. Please contact us to verify your account. So, ikiklik lang natin dito ang contact us. Okay, the next, personal identification number PIN. So, na po yung makikita natin. Please note that we are unable to verify your PIN manually until 30 days have passed since we've issued your third mail PIN. We ask that you kindly only contact us in relation to your PIN after this period of a quicker resolution. And then, ilalagay na natin yung mga information na hinahanap. Yung name, example, Juan de la Cruz, ayan, yung contact email address, ayan, cordapio@gmail.com, for example. And then, ang importante, yung AdSense Publisher ID. So, start with PUB dash yung number. So, kung hindi mo alam yung publisher ID mo para makuha ang information, sign in ka sa Google AdSense or log in ka sa Google AdSense mo and then click yung home. And then after that, i-click mo yung account. So, dyan mo makikita yung AdSense publisher ID mo. And then next, submit an attachment. So, ang attachment na ilalagay natin is yung mga IDs natin like government issued ID card or bank statement, telephone bill, rent receipt, okay, at iba pa. So, which is magpapatunay sa mailing address mo at saka sa name mo. Then, choose file. So, kapag na-upload mo na yung mga picture ng IDs mo, and then, click choose file. And then, click submit. So, ito yung next na makikita natin. The form has been submitted to AdSense support. Okay, so, sa experience ko, hindi na ako mabot ng 24 hours. 10 minutes na-receive ko na. And then, after noon, binuksan ko ang Gmail account ko. And then, ito na siya. PIN approved. So, ayan nakalagay dito na rest assured that your PIN has been verified. So, yung ine-expect nating 6 character code na dapat ma-mailed sa atin ng Google AdSense, kahit wala na yon, okay na, approve na yung Google AdSense natin. Na-verify na natin yung address natin. So, okay na ang PIN, wala na tayong problema, and the next na lang is nakalagay dyan na choose a form of payment. So, fill up na tayo ng form para sa sahod na tayo. So, yan lang muna kung paano mag-verify ng address sa Google AdSense nang walang PIN code na dumating. So, at kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, baka naman, please click the like, subscribe, the like, and the bell button below. So, ito na po yung susunod na upload natin, ang payment method, kung paano mag-process, kung anong gagamitin natin, at ang bank account, which is nagagamitin sa wire transfer, naghahanap ng Swift code. Ano nga ba ang Swift code?